Imagine waking up every morning checking your phone and seeing an extra $100 in your account. Today, I'm going to break down 5 real, practical ways to make $100 a day online. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's dive right in. Alright, let's kick things off with the hottest thing on the internet right now, AI. You can literally sell AI-generated images, build automated websites, or offer AI-powered services, and the best part is, you don't need to be a tech genius to do it. Take ChatGPT for example. It's this crazy powerful AI chatbot that can write articles, create marketing copy, even generate code for you. Or how about Midjourney and Runway ML? These platforms let you create stunning, high-quality images and videos with just a few clicks. First, pick a niche. Maybe you're passionate about AI-generated content, or you want to help businesses automate their customer service with AI chatbots. Once you've found your niche, it's time to package your services and start selling. Platforms like Gumroad, Fiverr, and Shopify make it incredibly easy to set up shop and start selling your AI-powered products or services to the world. I've seen AI entrepreneurs making anywhere from $200 to $2,000 or more per day. So don't sleep on this opportunity. Next up, we've got affiliate marketing, one of the most popular and accessible ways to make money online. Here's how it works. You partner with a company or individual who has a product or service to sell. They give you a unique affiliate link, kind of like your own special code. Then you share that link with your audience, whether it's on your social media, your blog, or even just through email. And every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. TikTok and YouTube are absolute gold mines for affiliate marketing, especially if you're creating engaging and informative content around your niche. To get started, you'll need to join an affiliate network. Amazon Associates is a great option for beginners, with millions of products to choose from. Once you're part of an affiliate network, find products that align with your interests and audience. The best affiliate products are those that solve a problem, fulfill a need, or offer incredible value. Once you've found some winners, grab your affiliate links and start creating high-quality content that naturally incorporates those links. With a little effort and consistency, you can start seeing real results with affiliate marketing. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that the earning potential is limitless. Chapter 3: Monetizing social media. Because believe it or not, you can actually get paid to post on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. These platforms are constantly competing for users and content, and they're willing to shell out some serious cash to keep people engaged. YouTube Shorts, for example, has a dedicated fund that pays creators based on the performance of their short-form videos. And TikTok? They've got their own creator fund, and are known for rewarding viral content with generous bonuses. First things first, you need to focus on a niche. This will help you attract a targeted audience that's actually interested in what you have to say. Once you've found your niche, it's time to start creating. When it comes to short-form video content, consistency is key. Aim to post at least 3 to 4 videos per day, each one clocking in between 30 to 60 seconds. Now, let's talk about monetization. YouTube Shorts bonus is a great way to start earning directly from your views. But don't stop there. You can also leverage affiliate marketing within your videos, promoting products related to your niche and earning commissions on every sale. And if you're building a following on TikTok, don't be afraid to explore brand deals and sponsorships as well. The earning potential with social media monetization is huge, so if you're creative, consistent, and passionate about your niche, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Chapter 4: Selling digital products. Let's move on to a business model that's all about leverage and passive income selling digital products. Imagine creating something once and getting paid for it over and over again. The best part? You don't need to be a design guru or tech whiz to create amazing digital products that people actually want to buy. We're talking about things like templates, checklists, ebooks, AI-generated art, printables. The possibilities are endless. Once you've got your digital product ready to go, it's time to set up shop. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify make it incredibly easy to create your own online store and start selling your digital masterpieces to the world. The beauty of selling digital products is that once you've created it, the rest is all about marketing and driving traffic to your store. You can promote your products through social media, content marketing, email lists, or even paid advertising. The earning potential with digital products is incredible. If you're selling a $10 digital product and you make just 10 to 15 sales per day, that's an extra $100 or more in your pocket every single day. And the best part? You can scale this business to 6 figures and beyond with the right products and marketing strategies. Chapter 5. Freelancing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, I don't have any special skills to offer as a freelancer, but here's the thing, you don't need years of experience or a fancy degree to start making money as a freelancer. And guess what? AI can be your secret weapon in the freelancing world. Tools like ChatGPT can help you with writing, content creation, and even translation. Midjourney and other AI image generators can help you create stunning visuals for clients. So, what kind of services can you offer as a beginner freelancer? Well, writing is always in high demand. Businesses need blog posts, website copy, product descriptions, you name it. And with the help of AI writing tools, you can pump out high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Other popular services include voiceovers, graphic design, social media management, virtual assistants, the list goes on and on. To get started, sign up for freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or People Per Hour. When you're first starting out, it's all about building your portfolio and getting those first few gigs under your belt. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can start raising your rates and attracting higher-paying clients. The beauty of freelancing is that you're in control of your income potential. There you have it, 5 powerful ways to start making $100 a day online, even if you're a complete beginner. We've covered everything from leveraging the power of AI to monetizing your social media following, selling digital products, and even diving into the world of freelancing. The key takeaway here is that there's no one-size-fits-all approach to making money online. The best method for you will depend on your interests, your skills, and your willingness to put in the work. So, what are you waiting for? Pick a method that resonates with you, take action, and start building your online income stream today. And don't forget to let me know in the comments which method you're most excited to try. See you in the next one. Bye.